In this video, I'll show you how to change your toilet hardware. New bathroom remodel, but old colored hardware. So I ordered this one from Amazon, and I'm gonna walk you through how I installed it. It was super easy, much easier than I thought. Here are the instructions. Flip over the lid, be careful not to break it or drop it. I noticed right away that the plastic screw portion is much longer on the new ones that I bought, so I wasn't sure if I could reuse the ones from the original fixture or if I had to cut the new ones shorter. So obviously these need to touch these portions to flush, and so they have to be the right length. I wish I would have marked the length on these before I started messing with them, but either way they came out easily enough. And then I removed the other side. Then I removed the long ones off the other side, and you might need to loosen that black nut before you start. I placed the shorter plastic screws where the longer ones had been on the new fixture. I sped this up because you get the idea. And if you think you've got them at the right length, then just tighten these tightening nuts. Then just loosen this nut, but make sure you don't have it over the toilet like I did.
Whoa, don't do that.
Don't do it over the toilet because that's where you're gonna drop it. I got lucky. Then separate the new piece so we can install it. So we're gonna put this gold piece underneath and this back on. I placed the new piece from the underside through. Fit the black plastic piece onto the top. Reaffix the nut right there. In order to hold the two main pieces together, hand tighten until it's snug. The height of these should be the perfect height to reach the buttons but not press on them. And once they are, these nuts should be hand tightened. So let's test. Okay, when I flipped these over, these were a little bit too long, and so they flushed the toilet by accident, waiting for it to fill back up. And I'll just shorten them a little bit and ease the lid on so I can see if they're too long without actually flushing it. So you can hear when I set this down that it's a little pushed down too far on one side or the other because it's flushing it, and we don't want that. So I made another adjustment and it's working just fine. And now to change these silver covers on the toilet seat lid, just press this button and then the lid comes off. Set it aside. That's pretty much it. These just lift right off and pop the new ones on. Should probably do some cleaning in between, but I will spare you that detail. Press the button, drop it back on, and you're done. Everything matches and it only takes a few minutes. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please like and subscribe and have a blessed day.